You should visit Maine in Augusta, fly to Concord, New Hampshire in the fall. My friend Amelia loves skiing in Montpelier, so in winter heed Vermont's call. Boston, Massachusetts is a fine city indeed, but for heartfelt connections head to Hartford, Connecticut. I promise you won't regret it. We're almost done. New England states, just one more state remains. By God's good graces we'll remember Providence, Rhode Island. States and capitals, states and capitals, states and capitals, good to know. States and capitals, states and capitals, Mid-Atlantic, here we go. Let's continue down the coast to Trenton, New Jersey. Mermaids, tridents, fish, and boats will meet you on your journey. Albino squirrels in Albany do jump from tree to tree. New York's capital is here, though some may think it's NYC. Next up in Pennsylvania is a place called Harrisburg. Harrisburg, splitting hairs with a pencil in Harrisburg. Harrisburg, Harrisburg, Harrisburg. States and capitals, states and capitals, states and capitals, good to know. States and capitals, states and capitals, states and capitals, here we go. States and capitals, states and capitals, learning piece by piece. States and capitals, done with the Northeast.